And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, once again tonight, temperatures hovering near freezing. Keep in mind, late tonight, early tomorrow morning, there could be a few patches of light freezing drizzle. So watch for a slick spot or two here and there with a southeast breeze. And I got your overnight lows updated now. Latest data, 30 to 32 doing it. Viewing area wide. Now tomorrow itself, let's go ahead here. Again, any patchy light freezing drizzle in the morning, turning to some scattered rain, sleet, and snow showers mid to late morning and right up to midday. At 2 o'clock, the Arctic front is coming into the west. So a very rapid changeover to snow. Note the strong winds from the west-northwest. West of US 41 at that point, and then ahead of it, the winds are from the southwest. So 30s here, single digits back here, and here comes the Arctic air. The front's through. Definitely by 6 o'clock, area-wide snow, strong winds from the west to west-northwest, and temperatures will be tanking rapidly. Still snowing at 9:30 tomorrow night, and snowing through a chunk of tomorrow night. But here's the thing, a little dry air is going to punch in. And it's not out of the question very early Friday morning. Could even have a few breaks in the clouds, believe it or not. But there's still going to be high winds, blowing snow, dangerous wind chills. Now, a lot of the snow pulls away. Again, not much going on falling from the sky on Friday morning. But then Friday afternoon, some snow comes in from the northwest. It wraps around the low. That'll be deepening northeast of Detroit. And some more snow comes in from the northwest. So a little more snow late Friday afternoon and into Friday night. That'll add a little bit more to our accumulations, and still a lot of blowing and drifting snow and dangerous wind chills. Saturday, still a good amount of wind around, dangerous wind chills, and a few scattered snow showers. And then Sunday, the winds backing off. Will start to get a little clearing in here, and conditions very slowly improving. So tomorrow, highs 34 to 38, but look what happens late afternoon. There's the front. We go from 37 at 3 with a mix of rain and a few snowflakes to 17 by 5 with a wind chill of 1 below 0. And note the wind really beginning to crank up. So a flash freeze later on in the day. There you see the highs at 34 to 38, viewing area wide. Friday, gusts 45 to 58 miles an hour. Look at these actual air temperatures and look at these wind chills. Yeah. 20s to 30s below 0 with a howling west to west-northwest wind with a lot of blowing and drifting and poor visibility. Even if it's not a lot of snow, it'll be blowing around everywhere. And there you see the highs on Friday, 2 below 0 to 3. And look at the wind chills, 30-some below to about 21 below 0. So if you're going to be out for any length of time in that weather, this is the kind of attire you need to wear for extreme cold. You're going to need 3 layers here. You need 2 layers here at least, a face mask, 2 hats, maybe a very thick hat, because frostbite can develop and those kinds of wind chills in less than 15 minutes. So be careful out there. The kids will want to go out and play in the snow. Their skin is especially tender, so be aware of that with this kind of cold coming in. And look at the wind chills dropping. This is early tomorrow evening. They're already dropping to 13 below. This is by around 11 tomorrow night, and finally Friday morning, 20s to 30-some below 0. And your peak wind gusts. A lot of the area, it's about 48 to 54 miles an hour Thursday evening to Friday night. Some of the highest gusts in the entire area will be right here in our northwestern areas, and 3 to 5 inches of snow expected. Highest amounts 5 to 9 along the Kankakee River. A lot of the amounts are going to be 3 or 4. I'll tell you that right now. More of the 5s will be in the far north, but it will be very hard to measure because it will be blowing around everywhere. Parts of your yard will have a ½ an inch. One part of your yard will have 2 feet in it. But we see a warm up. It's 18 Monday, but a little bit more snow. And then it's light freezing rain Thursday to all rain Friday.